Hey guys, my name is Mohammed, Ameer, Haider, Rizvi, and welcome back to Tech Unaux. So, in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make AI make your websites. Okay, so let's get started. So first we will be needing a AI website idea. Okay, so for this, I will go ask ChatGPT for this. Okay, okay. Now I will ask ChatGPT. Give me a website idea. Okay, so it will give me only a simple idea. Recipe swap. Okay, so this is a good website title. So now I am going to present the tool that will make the website. It's named Mixo AI. Okay, the link will also be in the description. Okay, so I'm going to put the concept of the website. Okay, this is the concept. It is a website that is user friendly, that will allow people to share and discover new recipes. Okay, so now I'll click with generate with idea AI. Now you have to just sit and AI will make the full website for you. Okay, it will also design a logo, give images. Okay, so now it is loading a site. So you can see it is so good. You can see the name is recipe swap. Okay, you can see the images. Now, okay, you can also edit the website. Okay, now I don't want the this images, I want this to be changed. You can also change the images. Okay, so you can see the images have been changed. You can put the email join button. Okay, can see the images have been changed. Now they are more good. Can see the review. This platform has helped me discover amazing recipes that I would have never came across otherwise. Highly recommended. Okay, join a community and share your recipes. Okay, so you can see the quality of the website, the quality of text, the images. Okay, now if you want to customize your site, you can customize your site also. Okay, so now let's sign in with Google. Wait a minute, let me sign in. Okay, I am signing in. So I want to save and customize. Okay, now my website will be saved to my account. Okay, so this is for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment my channel. Okay, so now let's see the site. Nobody has seen our website till here. So for this we have to publish our site, and for publish our site we have to upgrade it, and for upgrade we have to give money. Okay, so this is for just free. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment my channel. Thanks for watching.